Good Saturday morning, all. Just a reminder, we're on the final weekend or the weekend of the big Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale. Several of us have done many videos this week showcasing many items. I just wanted to go over a few items this morning so you don't forget about it. The sale is now for everybody. We had Monday through Thursday for Inside Track Club, but Friday through Monday is everybody. So there's still a lot of good deals to be had out there. Head on over to Harbor Freight. Let's take a look at these sales, the Spring Black Friday sales. As I said, it's Saturday morning, so we still have today through Monday, and this sale is now for everyone, not just for Inside Track Club. And let's start off just looking at some of these. I've already done many of these in depth if you'll look at my other videos, but I'm going to scan over a few this morning just for those that are going to the store right now and don't have time for all that. The biggest sales are 40% off all, that is all Braun lights. My other video does show you what that 40% off is at a glance if you want to take a look. 30% off all elastic ratcheting and E-Track tie downs. Quite a selection over there, as you well know. It's time to stock up on gloves. 40% off all Hardy Gloves brand, and that's every one of them. So as you imagine, if it's $10 normally, you're going to get them for $6. It's a heck of a deal. You don't see this very often. 30% off all cordless power tool batteries. That's the 12 volt, 20 volt, and 80 volt. And of course, their 80 volt doubles as a 40 volt. You might want to check those out. Same deal. Check the videos out. This is huge, and everybody seems to think this is very popular, as do I if you're switching some to Icon. All Icon, Doyle, and Quinn pliers and screwdrivers, 35% off. This is the time to get them if you're wanting to add those pliers and screwdrivers to your sets. Of course, Doyle and Quinn are super brands as well, so you can't go wrong with this sale. For example, $10, obviously it's going to be $6.50 a piece. $20, similar savings, $13.50. $13, excuse me. All right, just jump around a few others. It'd be a good time if you're needing a Predator super quiet inverter generator. This one's got the CO Secure Technology, $200 off to $5.99. Let's jump over to the welders. Easy Flux 125 amp welder. It's $30 off during the sale to $119.99. I've heard a lot of good things about these Avanti airless paint sprayers and stain sprayers. They're knocking $60 off, $189.99. And if you'll notice, many of these sales are in-store and online. So if you don't have time to go to the store, try to get that sale online this weekend. They got great deals on several jacks, but here's one of them. This is a 3-ton low-profile Pittsburgh, and it's got the rapid pump. $72 off. Hard to believe, $97.99. If you've been putting this off, well, it's under $100. I don't think it's going to get any cheaper this year. Looking at the toolboxes, here's the 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank. It's the service cart. Knock $100 off to $499.99 in multiple colors. Here's the 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart. Super handy right at your job site. $60 off, $169.99. Same deal, multiple colors. Here's another one of those rapid pumps. This one's got the long reach. So if you need that extra reach, this is the Daytona brand. $100 off, $169.99. As I mentioned, they got a lot of good jack deals. There's a professional series also. This one's a 2-ton. It's not the long reach, but it's still a racing type for $169.99. It's a good deal on a Badlands 9500 winch. $50 off to $279. If you don't need quite that big, here's the 5,000 pound. They've got it knocked $30 off to $149.99. I mentioned this in one of the other videos. This triple ball hitch, if you don't have this set up, I know darn well if you've hauled many things, you have needed it. So at $22.99, it's breaking some of the excuses not to keep one in your toolbox. $22.99, you get the 3 different ball sizes, 1 7/8, 2-inch, and 2 5/16. This isn't the greatest deal I've ever seen on a battery box, but if you don't have one and you're new to the world of it and just interested, this is plenty of power for a picnic, to run a couple fans or something for a couple hours, a few lights, some good backup power. It's not big enough to run your refrigerator or something like that. But just to get started with some outside work, this is a good start for $249.99. What I think is even better, though, is the 100-watt foldable solar panel. You can take that power with you to recharge that box or others. 30 bucks off, 100 watts, $99.99. I have done a solar project recently on my robot mower that I'll be publishing. If you guys want to check back, I'm running it completely off solar power now. They've got good prices on their engines. $329.99, $50 off for a 13 horse. Here's a conventional 1800 watt gas powered generator. It also has that CO secure technology. 100 bucks off, $249. Can't hardly beat that to get any decent generator. Power washers. If you don't have a small one, they're very handy for quick jobs. This one's a 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute. $69.99 during the sale. It's hard to beat. All right, here's one of the Bauer vacuums. Sorry about that. I don't have this particular brand, but I've heard good reviews, and as you can see, the reviews there are 5 3/4 stars. They're knocking 18% off this weekend to $44.99. The Random Orbit Palm Sander down to $19.99. Of course, this is corded, but still, 20 bucks. Can't hardly beat that. It's 50% off this weekend. Here's your 7.5 amp variable speed hammer drill. 33% off, $29.99. If you don't have one in your box, they're very handy when you need them. These sawhorses are amazing. Excuse me. I have a different brand, but they're identical. There's 2 or 3 brands that look just alike. Not sure if they're made in the same place or not. But if you'll notice, 5 3/4 stars. This is a great deal. Of course, this is per each. But these things will hold anything you want to stick on them. They fold up really small to put anywhere in your shop. $49.99 a piece. If you've been putting it off, I don't think you're going to see this in any brand any cheaper than that. Here's your cement mixer. $199.99, $70 off. And you can get the compactor. If you use these many times, you'll pay for it just buying it instead of renting it. I mean, 3 or 4 rentals, you'll pay that $599.99. 2-shelf utility cart. I've heard really good things about these. I have a different brand. Use it constantly. This one is 4 1/4 stars. So it's getting good reviews. Takes up to 500 pounds of weight. 40 bucks off, $89.99. These things are super handy, not for moving furniture or something, but to keep in your truck, to move a case of water or some heavy dog food, or I use mine to grab mulch out of the back and grab it a bag at a time, take it to where I want. 28% off, $24.99 during the sale. If you don't have one, I highly suggest getting one. Here's a Professional Master Ball Joint Universal Press 20 piece. Man, that was hard to get out. 50 bucks off if you're needing that to add to your arsenal. It's an Icon brand, $179.99. They got Icon brand multi-spline screw extractors. If you don't have a set, you can buy this one at the price of the normally lesser expensive brands, $24.99, 50% off. I think I've hit most of the highlights. There is a nice Doyle swivel vase with anvil and pipe jaws. If you don't already have this in your shop, or you just need another one in, say, your garage, it's $50 off. Super value on that. More of the concrete stuff. The 3/4 horsepower concrete vibrator, it's getting 4 1/4 stars. Some of the folks, the way I understand it from the reviews, are saying, well, this don't work and whatever. In the instructions, I don't have this, but in the instructions, if I understand the reviews correctly, if you tap the end as it says, they work fine. So don't shy away from it. It's $40 off, nearly, half off. So $59.99 if you're needing that, grab it. It's baseball time. A lot of people use these type of carts to carry to the ballpark. Normally they're foldable, but if you're in a truck, you might use this, and that way you can use it in the yard as well. This one's got the removable sideboards. $60 off to $119.95. And grab one of these flyers when you head in, because if you notice around the fringe, there's a lot of really good deals. Safety glass is 98 cents a pair. The inexpensive screwdrivers, cushion grip, $4.86 for a full 12-piece set. The sprayers are super value over the weekend. 1 1/4 gallon, $9.96. The backpack, don't know if I'll find it, but the backpack I know is on sale for $19.99, and that's a 2 gallon. I think it's 2 gallon. Anyway, it's a backpack. Of course, you got to have the electric fly swat for $2.49. Super glue, 96 cents if you just need a couple packs of that hanging around. Sorry to be jumping around. I'm just trying not to make a super long video. 16-ounce fiberglass hammers, 45% off. That's ball peen or claw. It's a solid deal on that. Magnets, if you we hadn't seen them in the freebies for too terribly many times in the last year. So $1.84 if you need a few more of those. These are super handy to store your ammo or whatever else. That's what I do with them. $2.98 a piece. I don't see a limit, so if they have them in stock, you might want to grab a few while they're handy. They're just super handy. You mark what's in them and forget it until you need it. These little plastic sawhorses, they get a lot of mixed reviews. A lot of people don't like them. I have a couple of pair, and I do use them. If I just need something lightweight to cut a board or something, they're as I said, lightweight, easy to set up, easy to throw in the back of your truck. $9.98 a piece. Can't beat it. It's a good set of impact rated bits. $2.99, normally $6.99. That's nearly 60% off. Clamps. They always have good deals on bottle jacks during these sales. Here's an 8-ton, 34% off, down to $24.99. If you've been putting that purchase off. Here's the metal ammo boxes. They're also a great deal this weekend, 30% off to $8.98. Hopefully this reminder was helpful. If you forgot about the sale, you may want to plan this weekend. Go today, go tomorrow. It says you can even go Monday. There's still a lot of good sales to be had. If this video was helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel.